Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your phone with Samsung easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your phone and navigate to the home screen. Locate and tap on the settings app. Scroll down until you find lock screen. Tap on lock screen to open the settings. Select screen lock type. You will see several options including pattern, PIN, and password. Choose the method that best suits your security needs. If you select pattern, draw your desired pattern and confirm it. For PIN, enter a numeric code and confirm it. If you choose password, enter a secure alphanumeric password and confirm it. Once your screen lock type is set, go back to the lock screen menu. Look for Secure Folder and tap it to enable additional security. Follow the prompts to set up your secure folder. This feature allows you to store sensitive apps and files securely. Now, go back to Settings and select Biometrics and Security. Here, you can set up fingerprints or facial recognition. Follow the instructions to scan your fingerprint or face. These features add an extra layer of protection to your device. After the biometric setup, make sure to activate Find My Mobile. This option helps locate your phone in case it gets lost. Return to the main settings menu and tap on Accounts and Backup. Select Backup and Restore to ensure your data is safe. Backup your information to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Lastly, update your software regularly for the latest security enhancements. Your phone is now more secure and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.